in a hospital environment, if you take an operating theatre and you use the thorough cleaning techniques with trained staff, you achieve a 50% reduction in cleaning. And that's in that environment. So the chap wandering up and down the bar with a dirty cloth, it doesn't cut it. So essentially, the cleaning techniques that just about everyone in the country deploy are all going to be less than 50%.
Yeah.
So it's actually the same with I'll come on to this distancing. To me, I think it's because it's tangible and virtue signaling. Our venue is really good because we've just used 50,000 wipes. So people can see that they're cleaning. But in fact, they're doing two things. One is, A, they're not really cleaning. B, one of the big problems with fomites, as I said, it's difficult to catch it from a surface. But if you want to keep the air full of COVID, keep brushing surfaces where the virus has settled and waft it up into the air. Because that's, and that's called resuspension. So there's lots of studies on lots of surfaces. A frightening one is carpets are full of virus particles, and when you walk on them, you bounce the particles up. So again, it's a good example that other than licking the carpet or inhaling it, you're safe. But if you bounce on it and the particles become airborne, then you're not. So carpets are a real no-no, and I suspect they don't feature in your venues. But if they do, you've got to, thinking backstage and everything else. But that's an issue just to bear in mind.